Welcome to this session of Go Ask Debbie, how to select text in Word. People keep asking me how I'm so fast at selecting text in Word, so I thought I'd make this tutorial. There are many ways to select text in Word, and these are just a few, but these are the ones that make me fast. It may seem like a simple thing, but people seem to get so frustrated when trying to select text. So, to select a single letter or number or symbol, you can simply click and drag your mouse to highlight the letter or symbol. Very simple. I think most people know how to click and drag. To select an entire word, simply double-click the word, and it highlights the entire word. To select a line, simply move your mouse to the left margin and click. You'll see the whole line is highlighted. To select an entire paragraph, do the same thing with your mouse in the left-hand margin, but this time double-click, and the entire paragraph will be highlighted. To select the entire document, you can triple-click, or you can press Control-A. Same thing. And here's a hint. You can use the arrow keys to help you. So simply placing your mouse in the desired location. Say I want to select only this portion of this paragraph and not the entire thing. If I move my mouse and I say, oh, I've messed up, right? You can simply hold the Shift key and use your arrow keys to bring the mouse or bring the selection back to only the area that you wanted to select. If you master these ways to select text, you will be so much more efficient in things that you need to do with copying information from one area to the next or from within Word to other applications. Thanks for watching this session of Go Ask Debbie. For more tips, tricks, and how-to videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you're notified each time I upload a new tutorial.